In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Zillow browsing history on desktop 2026 guide. Before we start, let's clear up what exactly you're removing. We're dealing with local data stored on your computer, not your Zillow account. Local data includes the list of pages you visited, cookies that keep you signed in, and temporary images your browser saves to load pages faster. Your Zillow account data, like saved homes, saved searches, and your preferences on Zillow servers, will not be touched by this process. Think of this as tidying up your own computer's memory of your Zillow activity. Now, with Google Chrome open on your desktop, we'll jump right to the controls that handle this. On Windows, press Control, Shift, and Delete together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete together. This instantly opens the clear browsing data panel so you don't have to dig through menus. Make sure Chrome is the active window when you use the shortcut. At the top, choose your time range. If you want a clean slate that wipes every trace of Zillow activity stored in your browser, select All Time. If you only need to remove a recent session, pick Last Hour or Last 24 hours. This is helpful if you just did a quick search and don't need to clear older history. Next, choose what to clear. For a comprehensive reset, check 3 items: browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Browsing history removes the list of Zillow property pages and search results you visited, and can also prevent those pages from popping up as suggestions in the address bar. Cookies and other site data will sign you out and reset site preferences. Expect to log back into Zillow afterward. Cached images and files delete stored copies of property photos and related assets, forcing Chrome to load the freshest versions from Zillow's servers. Keep in mind, clearing cookies signs you out of most sites, not just Zillow, so be sure you can log back in where needed. When you're ready, click Clear Data. Give it a moment, larger caches can take a little longer. Once it's done, head back to Zillow.com. Your recently viewed list should now be empty, and the site will fetch new images and content. The first page load might be slightly slower as Chrome rebuilds its cache. If prompted, sign back into Zillow to resume your saved searches and favorites. And that's it. You've removed your local Zillow browsing traces without affecting anything stored in your Zillow account. Managing your browser data keeps your home search private and ensures you're seeing fresh content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.